Konnichiwa. So we're taking a look at how we can talk about and ask about what time we do things. We've already got the basic sentence structure. So we've got the subject followed by wa, followed by the verb phrase. So watashi wa okimasu. Watashi wa okimasu. I get up. Watashi wa okimasu. I get up. Now we need to look at how we can put that time in it so that we can say what time we get up. Okay, so we've got the basics that we started off with, so the subject and the verb phrase, and in the middle we put this time phrase followed by ni. So ni is, in English it would be like at, so at the time. Let's take a look. Aya-san, so Aya is the name of a person. Aya-san wa 6時に okimasu. Aya gets up at 6 o'clock. Aya-san wa 6時に okimasu. Aya gets up at 6 o'clock. Let's practice this. So here's Aya-san, and at 6 o'clock she gets up. Aya-san wa 6時に okimasu. Aya-san wa 6時に okimasu. Let's take a look at a different person and a different verb. So this one's going to be at 11 o'clock and go to sleep. And this chappie is called Taro. So Taro-san. Taro-san wa 11時に 寝ます。Taro-san wa 11時に寝ます。So that's Taro. At 11 o'clock, he goes to bed. Taro goes to bed at 11 o'clock. Okay, next. We want to make this into a question now. Now you notice we've still got the same structure, but we've got ka on the end. So, Taro-san wa 11時寝ます。Subject, time phrase, verb, plus ka on the end. Let's take a look at the question. Aya-san wa 6時に起きますか? Aya-san wa 6時に起きますか? Does Aya get up at 6 o'clock? Aya-san wa 6時に起きますか? This is exactly the same structure as the previous sentence, but it's a question, so we just add ka. So that's your yes-no question. Let's have a practice. So, Aya-san, at 6 o'clock, get up. Aya-san wa 6時に起きますか? Aya-san wa 6時に起きますか? Does Aya get up at 6 o'clock? Let's try with Taro-san. So, Taro-san, 11時に寝ます. Let's ask a question. Taro-san wa 11時に寝ますか? Taro-san wa 11時に寝ますか? Does Taro go to bed at 11? Now the WH question. If we were making a WH question, like a what time question in English, we'd have to change all the word order around. What time does Aya get up? But in Japanese, it still keeps exactly the same sentence structure. The person, then we've got our time question word, followed by ni, then our verb phrase, and ka because it's a question. Our time question for this one is going to be nanji. What time? Nanji. Aya-san wa nanji に起きますか？あやさんは何時に起きますか？あやさんは何時に起きますか？ What time does Aya get up? So you see how we have to rearrange the word order in English, but in Japanese we keep that same word order. Let's practice. So Aya-san, and we want to ask what time she gets up. Aya-san wa nanji ni okimasu ka? Aya-san wa nanji ni okimasu ka? What time does Aya get up? Okay. Try this one by yourself. We've got Taro-san, and we want to ask what time he goes to bed. Okay, so hopefully in the pause you've come up with something like this. Taro-san wa nanji ni nemasu ka? Taro-san wa nanji ni nemasu ka? What time does Taro go to bed? Okay, now all the sentences and questions have the same structure. Aya-san wa 6時に起きます. That's our sentence. Aya gets up at 6 o'clock. Aya-san wa 6時に起きます. Now our question, Aya-san wa 6時に起きますか? Aya-san wa 6時に起きますか? Does Aya get up at 6 o'clock? And our WH question. Aya-san wa 何時に起きますか? Aya-san wa 何時に起きますか? What time does Aya get up? Let's go through those ones again. Let's read them together. Aya-san wa 6時に起きます. Aya-san wa 6時に起きますか? Aya-san wa 何時に起きますか? Okay, thank you for watching.